No. Like I said, boy, this is what happens when you keep biting. So, no. Okay? This dude was barking like crazy just a minute ago, and now he doesn't want to bark. Must be camera shy. Are you camera shy? See, there it is. That's his little barks. Oh, but seriously, his puppy teeth really are pretty crazy. Look at this. This is a new tennis ball that we just got him in. We have to take it out, and we gotta get rid of it because look what he did to this thing. Look at that. I mean, you're a vicious little puppy.